Hey, Kalam here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save your project on CapCut software on PC, Windows 10 and 11 and MacBook. This is the same method actually. So without any more time wastage, let's jump to video. First, I want to open CapCut software. Just click on here. You can see here is a 3 project already open here. So I want to delete. Then click on create project. Then click on import. Again click on here. I open a design. Okay, that's good. So now I just exit from this software. You can see it's already saved on my software project file. Again cross this mark. Then I refresh on my computer. Then again just create this software. You can see it's already saved on this software project. If I open here, oh, it's already open here. So this is a method you can save your project on CapCut software on PC. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.